Okay student, today I will teach you the lab program. So draw the triangles. So when you click of mouse, okay, when you the 3 times you click the mouse, you should draw the one triangle, okay, triangle shape. Now this is your lab program, okay. So now today I will explain you how to do this one. Okay, this is an execution of the program. First I will show you output, how to show this output. Okay, so now I just run the program. Okay, so when you draw the triangle, okay, for the three mouse click, so first you click on the first click and click on this section. This is a panel sections, okay, click. Okay, then second click on the second click options and the click on somewhere on this panel shape, okay, just click. Okay, so the one line will be draw. And for the third click on the third click button and click on this place. Okay, just see, this is a triangle. So for the 3 click we will draw the triangle. Okay, now I will tell you how to implement this program, okay, and how to execute this one. Okay, so first one, you have to open the Windows project. Okay, so I already opened Windows project program. You already know how to open this one, Windows Forms. Okay, so after that you have to take the panel control. In a toolbox you select the panel control. Okay, just you have to take the panel control and change this back color. Go to the properties, okay, and change this background color, back color. Give one color. I am taking one simple color. Okay, next one, you have to take the 3 buttons for clicking the 3 mouse click. Okay, the button 1. Okay, so you take first click, you have to change this one in the properties. Button 1, you have to change first click. First click. Okay, so now this is a change, and you take this the copy and take the paste this one, the 3 buttons, and this is a second click, just to change here. Second click, and this one is a third click option. Third click option. Okay, so after you drawing this one, okay, I already developed this program. Okay, now let us see the code. Okay, so now this is a code, how to write it. So first one you will be see here. Okay, the form 1, okay, initializations. Here you should mention the graphics GP, okay, and you have to draw this triangle in a panel. Okay, so here in the panel section you have to draw create the graphics, means you have to draw some shapes. For that you have to create the graphics method in a panel. Okay, so that you have to write the code graphics. Okay, so double click on this one, and in the form 1 initialization component, so after this one you have to write graphics. You have to take one object for this one, then new graphics, okay. After this one you have to mention here, okay, here you have to mention, you have to take one variable GB, okay, equal to panel 1, sorry, you have to taking G here, mentioning G, so you have to take G panel 1, okay, dot created graphics. The method is there, you have to take it inside this one. This is the one steps, okay. So after that one I will show you. After you have to take the pen, okay. I am taking the new color, okay, pen, new color. Here you just copy it, pen, new color. So pen is using for the drawing the outside of the shape, okay. Selecting the colors there. Just I am mentioning the here, okay, panel 1. You have to declare only the graphics and variables, okay. Just you have to take graphics GB or whatever, to take G. I am taking GP, and here I am taking GP, okay. Next one, after this one you have to take the points, okay. First P1 point, second and third point, you have to clicking the 3 points. So just you mention the point, the data type is point you have to take, and mention the variables, okay. Just I am copying in this one, this program, okay, new program. You have to declare here after this graphics, okay. Or after this pen, you have to declare this one, the 3 points you declared, okay. Then you go to the next one. You have to declare that one graphics point P1, okay. You are drawing the lines, whatever. So for that initially it is a false, because when you click it will become the true. So you have to initially you can take the false. So when you click this, it will become true. So also you maintain the 3 points, the properties bool GP1, GP2 and GP3, okay. So next one, this is mentioning in the font, okay. After, what you have to do, next you have to take the panel 1 mouse down, okay. So you have to write the code, okay. So panel 1 mouse down, how to take this one, okay. Go to this one, design, okay, design the shape. So I am taking here, design the shape, design, okay, and just click on the, select the panel, okay, select the panel 1. After selecting, you have to go to the events and come down here, okay. So the mouse here is there, mouse down, okay. So it's here, mouse down, okay. So just double click on this properties, mouse down, and it will goes to here, panel 1 mouse down. Here you should write the code, okay. I already developed this program. In the panel mouse down, you have to write, if the GP1 is the false, you have to P1 point 1 becomes where you are clicking, okay, where you are clicking, that X and Y coordinate will be mentioned. So you take this one, if the GP1 is false, you have to click and select that point X and Y coordinate, okay, and you have to write here. Then after this one you have to take same, okay, the GP2, okay, in the GP2 the point 2 and mentioning the GP2, and also you have to draw the one line for this one, you have to mention here, okay. If the GP2 is false, the point 2 is the notate that X and Y coordinate, and also draw the line from pen is drawing the shape, okay, line, draw the line from point P1 to point P2, means X1, X2, Y1, Y2, the line will be draw, okay. Same the another point is there, for that I am mentioning the another point, that is a point 3, GP3, okay. How to copy and how to paste it, this is a code, okay. After, if the GP3 is false, then you have to note down the point 3 X and Y coordinate, draw the lines P using the pen, point P2 to P3 and point P1 to P3, your line will be drawn. So the triangle will be drawn. Then here we have to use one of the cursor. Cursor is using for the mentioning the positions, exact positions. Okay, in the panel 1. Okay, it is a default. You have to take a default cursor positions is a default. You have to take it. Okay, after that, so again you will become this points becomes false. Okay, when you are clicking on that point, so once the point will be true and noted the lines, after completing it will become false. You can draw the another triangle. Okay, so next you have to do this one false. After this one, I am opening the buttons. Okay, so click on the button. Okay, just you have to do this code. Okay, I am selecting the first click. When the first click, you have to do the GP1, means the point P1, GP1 becomes 2. When it will pulse, it becomes 2. Now you are able to draw the line. Okay, so when the second click, then same, the GP2 is a 2. GP2 is a 2. Okay, so after that, when the third click, GP3 is 2. Okay, so write this code. Okay, and now you run it. Okay, the first you click on the first click and click on the first point on the panel. Second click and select the second point. Okay, third click and select the third click. So the line will be drawn, the P1, P2 and this is a P3. The line will be drawn from P2 to P3 and P1 to P3. Now your triangle will be drawn here. Okay, this is a program. Okay, so now the code will be sent to you. Okay, just you try it. Thank you.